Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about the top 5 biggest cruise ships in the world. These behemoths of the sea are truly impressive, both in size and luxury. Number 5 on our list is the Norwegian Epic, which measures in at over 1,080 feet long and can carry up to 4,100 passengers. This ship boasts a wide range of amenities, including multiple pools, a bowling alley, a rock climbing wall, and a variety of dining and entertainment options. At number 4 is the Carnival Vista, coming in at over 1,055 feet long and able to accommodate up to 4,600 passengers. This ship features an IMAX theater, a water park with a number of thrilling rides, and a skydiving simulator. Next up, we have the Freedom of the Seas, which is over 1,112 feet long and can hold up to 4,500 passengers. This ship has a number of impressive features, including a flow rider surf simulator, a rock climbing wall, and a miniature golf course. At number 2 is the Allure of the Seas, which measures in at over 1,187 feet long and can carry up to 5,400 passengers. This ship is packed with amenities, including a carousel, an ice skating rink, and a zip line that spans 9 decks. Finally, taking the top spot as the biggest cruise ship in the world is the Harmony of the Seas, which is over 1,188 feet long and can accommodate up to 5,479 passengers. This ship has a number of impressive features, including a water slide that stretches over 300 feet, a robotic bar, and a 2-story dining room. So, there you have it, the top 5 biggest cruise ships in the world. We hope you enjoyed learning about these impressive vessels. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more great content.